Estrogens and progestogens amplify my myofibrillar hypertrophic muscle growth. Estrogens and progestogens amplify my sarcoplasmic hypertrophic muscle growth. Estrogens and progestogens amplify my hyperplastic muscle growth. Estrogens and progestogens amplify Estrogens and progestogens amplify my myofibrillar hypertrophic muscle growth. Estrogens and progestogens amplify my sarcoplasmic hypertrophic muscle growth. Estrogens and progestogens
Wall?
Just not on the wall, just in a spot where it can... This is not even a horde, this is just nighttime overflow.
Nighttime zombies.
Jim's just doing laps. Yeah, you got it.
Got him dying over here. Gosh, the nighttime is hard. These gosh darn plague links. Carrying the disease.
So is that it? Is everything up?
No, I got a big stack of them on me.
We're just gonna close this off and we're good.
Oh.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah. Kill him. Okay.
Kim, you are out of control.
Why are you dying so much, Kim?
I don't know. It just happens.
There's a plagued rat in the underground portion of our house.
Well, get it out.
Okay.
It's just, I don't want to deal with it.
Okay. I think we're covered. Robert.
What?
Here, I planted potatoes. Need water.
Oh yeah, we do need... I have a lot of potatoes we should plant.
I have that one here.
Is the rat digging holes?
No, they don't
Yeah,
dig.
probably.
Come here, guys, come here real quick. I saw this underneath the house as well. They are! They're
What
digging holes right here. They dig holes in the
What?
logs.
Huh? The
Yes,
rats?
that's what I was seeing. Oh my good. I thought they were tables or something. No, those are rat holes.
They can dig. Yeah, they're digging through the wall.
What do we do?
Can they dig through stone?
I don't know.
Oh, I see it now. Yeah, it's that little bench. I still have half a heart. Because right inside him does.
Why do you have half a heart?
I lose my hunger.
They're digging through all of the holes. Guys, they're just digging through. There's holes everywhere.
Oh my god,
Oh, wow.
replace it with stone. We'll have to make the base of the wall stone. We have to adapt, overcome, and defeat. The rats are
Makes
getting
sense.
everywhere.
Unless I can do cobblestone, too.
Oh, they're rats. They can't do cobblestone.
You don't know what kind of rats these are.
They're rats, okay? Come on. Let's be serious here.
They have gold-plated teeth. Chop right through that.
You guys have water buckets? Make an infinite source of water or something?
Yeah, okay. Kim, go get water, okay?
I have half a heart. Why don't you have any food?
Kim, have some food here. The rats are getting through.
We can't keep living like
I
this.
just want to make the multipack harder for you guys, okay? You gotta deal with me.
Kim, I'm stringing up. I got
There's
your
rat
sheep
holes
strung up
everywhere.
here that you brought in for us. Where's my smoker?
There's rat holes on every side of this place.
Experience points.
Oh, we got walls up. That's good.
Alright, we're gonna survive this.
Yeah, we got this.
Just
so many
remember,
potatoes.
in the future, it's gonna get much harder.
Perfect.
Yay.
Do it 4 away, not 3 away.
I gotta get more stone.
Is 4?
What's back
Yeah.
here?
Oh.
Where'd the water go? Did you get a diamond hoe?
How many diamonds do you have, Kim?
Why would you make a diamond hoe?
This guy.
Alright guys, we're gonna make this look nice, right?
Well, let's get it going, and then we'll make it look nice. Kim, where are your potatoes? Plant them all here. I planted so many potatoes over here.
Should we have a carrot farm as well? Or are the potatoes enough?
Yeah. So, just do this whole outer wall. Just make this all.
Guys,
What?
guys, look who's in the house.
What is that? He's holding
What?
rats. Wait, it's like a wandering
What does he
traveler.
want? You can trade with him!
Oh.
Where is he? Oh!
Wait.
Plague essence. I'll take
What's he
that.
giving
For
us?
what? What do you need? What does he need for the trades?
Making deals.
It's a good trait.
Oh.
Don't
okay.
kill him.
What?
Shut!
Wait, we need him.
Oh, whoops.
We can't even trade with him anymore.
No, I'm doing it.
Oh, Kim's trading with him.
Rat skulls. Rat upgrades. Jury-rigged battle god. Look at that battle god rat upgrade. Wait, what is happening?
What
Okay,
do
there's a lot of stuff in here, but I can't buy. Oh.
what do you mean? Why would you?
Ow,
want-
his
okay.
rats are biting me.
You hit him, didn't you?
Stop hitting the rats, everyone.
He won't accept me anymore.
You hit him.
Pied wall?
What a deal.
I don't know what any of this
Okay,
stuff
I'm gonna
is.
kill his rats because they're biting me.
Uh-oh.
Kill these rats.
He's
I
okay.
was gonna summon everything.
Nice. Anyone got emerald for me?
No. Is there anything in here? No.
Oh my
What is this?
goodness.
Cam, you got any emeralds?
I know.
Damn. Should we keep this like?
Yeah, the plague essence is very good.
Yeah, I bought one.
What's a
we
plague
can make
essence?
we can make diseased garbage.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. That's why I want another emerald from someone.
Here. I have one. Yeah, keep them
What's
around,
up-
honestly.
What's up with this obsidian here?
I made it. No, don't worry about it. Fine.
In my farm. I got
Okay.
seeds? Regular seeds? Anyone got
Yeah,
regular seeds?
I have seeds.
I just Maybe put
Why did this? That's all the seeds I had.
Okay, that's better than nothing.
I have 7 eggs. We can make a chicken farm if you want.
I
I
got
mean,
some eggs
actually-
too.
Let's make
I,
a
only
little
got, I need one
farm
more
area.
emerald.
I gave you my own emerald. More seeds here. Rats.
All right, let's contain this guy. How do we stop him from leaving? We put him in a boat.
Put him in a
Oh my god.
Oh. But will he not disappear anyway because he's a traitor?
Does that work like that?
Yeah, they still. Wonder traders disappear anyway.
Oh.
Guys, the rats are gonna get through the rat holes.
We're okay.
They're in boats? I'm putting cobblestone down.
Oh.
Yeah.
Continue that.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
They're chewing. They're chewing. Get high. Get high.
To the blocks?
Get up.
Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so fast. They're so fast.
They're breaking. They're chewing through the wood.
I can hear the chewing. I can hear the creepy chewing.
Oh, they're climbing up.
I'm not up. I don't have building blocks.
Run to my arm.
Ah, the rats.
Run. Here, pick up.
The rats.
There you go.
They're
My
chewing.
obsidian. They can't chew through the obsidian. They're still chewing. Him.
What,
Is that
you know
what
what?
they're doing?
You might have to put obsidian on the bottom.
No, they're not chewing through the cobwebs. It seems. Oh my goodness.
Roberts, you're burning. I'm trying to put you out.
Oh,